Well, it's like this. The following EVPs were not done with a ghost box. Let me explain. I was working on a project that required a simple 30 seconds of white noise. Well, I had left the recorder running and it was recording the white noise. And when I went back just to listen to it to make sure everything recorded, I found the first part of the EVPs that are on here. They were faint, they had to be amplified, and you definitely do need earphones to hear these. These are all faint, very faint. I've tried to amplify some of them. Well, I said this was done with no ghost box. It's done the old-fashioned way with simply static, white noise. Not from the radio, this is static generated by the computer itself. Generated by the Otter City program that I use to go over EVPs. So I did an additional 3 minute and 30-second session. I did not videotape it. This is just audio by itself. And this is what I got. Remember, you have to use the earphones. None of these are actual Class A's because you cannot hear them without earphones. Like I said, this is done the old-fashioned way. Without a ghost box, just sitting here in the bedroom. When you do it like this, there's no guarantee at all that you'll get anything other than static. The fact that I did get what I did, which amounted right here. Which amounted in, let's see, 10. I say that's 10 EVPs. They're all faint. And if I if I hear it right, someone says the name is Gilbert Hart. That's a new name. I've never heard that one before. So first, I'm going to present the EVPs, of which there was 6 EVPs themselves. Then the second half of this will be the entire 3 minute and 30-second additional session with those EVPs amplified, are the ones I got there. So sit back, relax, definitely have your earphones on. This is Magic at Freaky Paranormal. Hope you enjoyed this. gonna do something that we haven't done in a long time. We're going to have a session the old-fashioned way, no ghost box, and just a white noise generator. Any spirits that are here, will you please come forward and talk to us? Can you please say what your name is? Is this easier to communicate like this? That is using the ghost box, or is the ghost box easier? Do you know what day it is? Can you tell me what I am holding in my hand right now? What am I holding in my hand? Can you tell me who else is in the room with me? Can you tell me if the TV is off or on? Do you like it here? What am I holding in my hand? What color shirt am I wearing? Who else is in the room with me? I'm going to end this session now. Do you have anything else you wish to communicate? I thank you for your time.